Welcome to your stand-up paddle adventure. Today, we'll take you on a serene journey through Bali's peaceful mangrove waters, where nature surrounds you, and every paddle brings calm, balance, and confidence. SUP, or stand-up paddle, is a fun and relaxing water activity that lets you explore nature at your own pace. You'll be standing on a wide, stable board while using a paddle to glide smoothly across the water. It's easy to learn, perfect for beginners and families. You can paddle while standing, sitting, or even kneeling, whichever feels most comfortable for you. Let's take a short look at the route you'll explore, a peaceful path through Bali's beautiful mangrove forest. Now, let's take a look at the basic equipment you'll be using during the tour. Next, let's learn the right paddling technique and safety. First, learn how to hold your paddle correctly. Put one hand on the top handle and the other on the shaft, about shoulder width apart. The paddle blade should face forward, with the angled side pointing away from you. Keep your arms relaxed and use your core to move the paddle smoothly through the water, not just your arms. Next, attach your ankle leash to your back foot, just above your ankle. This leash helps keep your board close if you fall into the water, so it doesn't drift away. Make sure it feels snug, but not too tight. Now, let's see how to carry your board. Hold the handle in the middle with one hand and your paddle with the other. Before paddling, always wear your life jacket properly. Put it on, then fasten and tighten all the straps. Start by kneeling or sitting on the board to find your balance. When you feel steady, slowly stand up with your feet shoulder width apart and your eyes looking forward. Falling is completely normal, even for experienced paddlers. If you fall, stay calm and hold on to your paddle. Swim back to your board and climb up from the center using both hands while keeping your balance. Relax and enjoy it. Falling is part of the fun. Keep your movements calm and steady, and enjoy gliding across the peaceful mangrove waters. Remember, there's no need to rush. It's all about balance and enjoying the moment. When entering the mangrove area, paddle slowly and calmly. This place is home to many living creatures, from tiny fish to colorful birds resting on the branches. Your gentle movements help keep the water clear and the surroundings peaceful. Keep a safe distance from other participants to avoid splashing or collisions. If you need to pass someone, do it smoothly and with care. Always follow your guide's instructions. They know the safest routes and the best spots to stop for photos. Remember, the mangrove forest is a protected ecosystem. Avoid touching the roots, picking leaves, or disturbing wildlife. Simply enjoy the moment, listen to the sounds of nature, and feel the beauty around you. Take a deep breath and let the calmness sink in. This is what makes the mangrove so special. Now you're ready to experience the beauty of Bali from a new perspective. Join our stand-up paddle adventure and glide through the calm mangrove waters with confidence. Enjoy the peace, the nature, and the joy of being out on the water, guided safely by our friendly team. Let's make your Bali journey unforgettable.